Hi dear friends, welcome to our infinity classes. In this video we are going to learn the properties of definite integral for the point of Karnataka second PUC mathematics annual examination part E question for 6 marks. Question number 46. It is a most likely and important question for 6 marks. So the second property we already learned in the first video, that is introduction of the properties of definite integral and all the properties in detail in the first video part of the properties of definite integral. In this video we are going to prove the one of the most important property for the point of your annual exam, that will be asked question number 46, and it is most likely an important question for 6 marks in part E. Question number 46. So how the question will ask? Question या तरह केळतारे कसा क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं? Prove that integration of a to b f of x dx is equal to a to c f of x dx plus c to b f of x dx. Proof and problem. One problem, any one problem out of these 4 problems will be asked. Maybe totally we have 5 properties of standard properties are there of definite integral. Out of 5 property, one will be definite for your annual exam. So look at the first proof, that is a to b f of x dx and a to c f of x dx, and integration of a to b f of x dx is equal to a to c f of x dx plus c to b f of x dx, and hence evaluate number 1 problem and number 2 and number 3 and number 4. So on the basis of this property we have 4 problems. Out of these 4 problems will be a property, and maybe not sure I am telling here, this property or any one problem will be appear in the annual exam. So let us first prove the property now. First property and proof madona. Integration of a to b. So here integration of a to b f of x dx is equal to a to c f of x dx and c to b f of x. This property is called as what? Breaking of limit property. Breaking of what? Limit property now, because here the limit is a breaking. ಇಲ್ಲಿ limit break ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಏನು break ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ limit ಅಂದ್ರೆ? Here the limit, I am drawing the number line here. So our limit is what? A to b, and we are breaking into the what? C, that is a to c, then c to b. So first of all we will prove this one by taking the left hand side part. LHS is equal to integration of a to b f of x dx is equal to f of x between the limit a to b. We know that a definition of the integration of f of x dx is nothing but capital F of x between the limit a to b. Here a is the what? Lower limit, and b is the what? Upper limit. By the fundamental theorem of integral calculus 2, that is, first we have to substitute the upper limit, that is f of b minus of the what? Lower limit, that is f of a. That is integration of a to b f of x dx is equal to what? F of b minus f of a. All this is equation 1, we can say here. Now similarly we have to solve the what? That is right hand side part of this problem, this proof of the property, that is RHS is equal to. So here RHS is equal to, what is RHS here? Integration of a to c f of x dx plus integration of c to b f of x dx. Integration of a to c f of x dx and integration plus c to b f of x dx. Now integration of f of x is what here? Capital F of x. By the definition of integration, now the between the limit is what? A to c plus, now this integration of f of x is what? Again f of x between the limit is what? C to b. Now first upper limit we have to substitute, that is f of c minus f of a plus f of b minus f of c. Here plus f of c and minus f of c get cancelled. Now I am writing this one minus f of a and plus f of b. It can be written. First I am writing the what f of b because it is a positive, f of b. Then I am writing the what f of a. Therefore, integration of c to b, a to c, a to c. Therefore, integration of a to c f of x dx plus c to b f of x dx is equal to what we get here, f of b minus f of a. That is f of b minus f of a. That is our RHS part. So that we will call the what equation 2, this one. That is equation 2. Observe here the right hand side of the both the equation. What is there here? F of b minus f of a here also what f of b minus f of a. From equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2 we can say that, so wait a minute here, from equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, I will make the space here, wait a minute, see here, and this part I am taking here. From 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, LHS equal to what? RHS. RHS. Therefore, integration of a to b f of x dx is equal to integration of a to c f of x dx plus c to b f of x dx. Hence the proof of the property. In this manner we have to prove the property. So this is the proof of the what? Property. Pause the video and note it down. It's very simple. First we have to evaluate the left hand side part of the property, that is integration of a to b f of x dx is nothing but f of b minus f of a, and in the same way we have to calculate the right hand part of the property, that is a to c f of x dx and c to b f of x dx, that is also equal to what? F of b minus f of a. From equation 1 and 2, LHS equal to what? RHS. Therefore a to b f of x dx is equal to what? A to c f of x dx plus c to b f of x dx. Hence the proof of the what? Property. So let us see the problem now. First problem. So evaluate and hence evaluate after the property one, with that property only in the part E the problem will be given to you. So you have to solve the problem for and property, then only you will get the what? 6 marks here. So now let us see here problem how to solve now. So first, that is I is equal to, I am writing integration of minus 5 to 5 mod of x plus 2 dx. So dear friends, see here, this is the modulus function. We already studied the what? Mod of x, the definition of modulus function, that is if it is positive x and it is negative, that is minus x. When it is positive, if x is greater than or equal to 0. Here if x is less than or equal to 0, less than 0, not equal to 0, it is less than 0. So this is the what? Modulus function definition. We already learned in the what? Class 11, that is first PUC we can say. So in the same way x plus 2 here. So we have to find the first the critical value or critical point of this function, for which what value this function will become what? 0 means we have to take x plus 2 is equal to 0 and x is equal to what? Minus 2. X is equal to minus 2. Now I am going to draw the what? Number line here, that is minus 5 to 5, and this minus 2 lies between minus 5 to 5 here. See here, x plus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 2. This is the critical point. At this value, this x plus 2 will become what? 0. Now this minus 2 I am breaking here, minus 5 to 5, that is between limit, that is as we did know in the property, this is a, This is A, this is C, and this is B. Yes, as we did in the property. Here we are splitting the limits minus 5 to 5, that is minus 5 to 2 and minus 2 to 5. So now we have to check when this modulus function will be positive, on which interval, and when it is negative. It's very simple. That is x plus 2 mod of, that is equal to x plus 2 and minus of x plus 2. So here, so it is negative if it is positive if x is greater than or equal to minus 2 at this point. Minus greater than means this side, we can say right side of this. If x is less than minus 2 means between here it is negative, this function here it is what, positive, we can say. So after deciding this one, so this one we are writing, that is I is equal to, first we have to break minus 5 to minus 2 mod of x plus 2 dx plus minus 2 to 5 mod of x plus 2 dx. So this is the what, first part of the, after breaking this integral can be written minus 5 to minus 2 mod of x plus 2 dx and minus 2 to 5 x plus 2 dx. Now in this interval, that is minus 5 to minus 2, this modulus function will be what, negative. That is if x is less than minus 2 means this side, minus 2 to minus 5. On this interval it is what, negative. It is opening as what, negative here. So minus 5 to 5, minus 5 to 2 is what, it is minus x plus 2 dx plus this one minus 2 to plus 5, it is positive. Clear? I hope you are getting the things. So minus 2 to minus 5 in this interval, if x is less than minus 2 means minus 2 to minus 5. On this interval, that is minus 5 to minus 2, on this interval minus 5 to minus 2, this modulus function will be what, negative. Then if x is greater than minus 2 means, greater than means minus 2 to 5 here, that is on this interval, that is minus 2 to 5, this modulus function will be what, positive. According to that, this modulus function here is what, negative I have written, and this modulus function here I am writing the what, positive. I hope you are getting the things. So next one, so here after this we have to integrate, that is I is equal to, so we are treating this as x and this is also x. Integration of x is what, x square by 2, that is x plus 2 minus sign as it is whole square divided by 2 between the limit minus 5 to 5, minus 5 to minus 2 plus, now this is x plus 2 whole square divided by 2 between the limit minus 2 to 5, minus 2 to 5. So we are applying this one, that is integration of x, dx is nothing but x square by 2. Instead of x, what is here, x plus 2 is there, x plus 2 integration is what, x plus 2 whole square divided by 2, x plus 2 whole square divided by 2. Instead of x, what is here, x plus 2 is there. So after integrating we have to substitute the what, limits. We have to substitute the what, limits. See here, after integrating, so I am taking 2 outside, that is I is equal to, that is I is equal to, this 2 I am taking minus sign as it is, that is 1 by 2. I am writing 2 outside. So I am first substituting the what here, upper limit, that is minus 2 plus 2, minus 2 plus 2 whole square, then minus 5, that is lower limit. So 2 I have already taken the outside, 2 already outside is there. Now we have to substitute what, lower limit, that is minus 5 minus and half. Before substituting the lower limit, first keep the minus sign, then in the place of x I am writing here minus 5 plus 2 whole square, minus 5 plus 2 whole square. Now this part is over. Now here again I am taking the 1 by 2 outside here, plus 1 by 2. Now this is upper limit, that is 5 plus 2 whole square Then before substituting the what lower limit here, keep the minus sign, minus 2 plus 2 whole square. So after substituting the upper and lower limit, only the remaining part is what simplification is there. So let us simplify this one. I is equal to this minus sign as it is, 1 by 2, minus 2 plus 2 is what, 0, then minus 5 plus 2 is what, minus 3 square is what, 9. This is 9. Now plus 1 by 2, that is 5 plus 2 is what, 7 square is what, 49, and this is will be what, 0 here. Minus 2 plus 2, 0 square is what, 0. Now I is equal to, and open the bracket, minus 1 by 2 into minus into minus, plus 9 ones are 9, that is 9 by 2. Now similarly 0, leave it this 0, 1 into 49 plus 49 divided by 2, that is I is equal to, denominator is same here, 9 plus 49 will be what, 58. Now 2 ones are 2 twos are 4, 1 remains here, 2 nines are 18, that is equal to what, 29. I is equal to what, 29. In this manner we have to solve the problem. So it is very easy problems is there. See here once again, first we are applying the what, breaking of limit property. We are breaking minus 5 to 5 and we are finding the critical value here, that is x plus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 2. After breaking we have to draw the what, number line, that is minus 5 to minus 2, then it is 5, minus 5 to 5, it is what, negative here. Now it is what here, positive. So we have to write breaking, after breaking this one, minus 5 to minus 2 mod of x plus 2 dx, then minus 2 to 5 x plus 2 dx. Then this function on this interval minus 5 to minus 2, this will be what, negative. Remove the mod. Now write in the negative value, negative. Then minus 2 to 5, it is positive, that is x plus 2 dx. Now integrating by using, this is treating as what, x integration of x is what, x square by 2. Here also x square by 2, and between the limit minus 5 to minus 2, minus 2 to 5. Now first substitute the upper, then minus of the lower limit, and remaining thing we have to simplify. You will get the what, answer. Pause the video and note it down. So moving to the what, next problem. See here, on the same property only we are moving here now. So integration of 2 to 8 mod of x minus 5 dx, 2 to 8. So let us see here, first we have to this one, x minus 5 is equal to 0, x is equal to what, 5. So we are applying the breaking of limit property from so breaking of limits here, that is 2 to 8, and between is what here, 5. 2 to 5, then 5 to 8. So first of all we are applying this one property, that is I is equal to, we are writing as it is here. So here I is equal to, that is I is equal to, I am writing first step as it is. Now I am applying here the property, that is I is equal to integration of 2 to 5 mod of x minus 5 dx plus 5 to 8 mod of x minus 5 dx. So after writing in this manner, we have to decide when it is positive and when it is negative. So it is very easy here. See here, mod of x minus 5, it is positive if x is greater than or equal to 5. On this interval it is what, positive. So it means here it is a positive. Greater than 5 means 5 to 8. Greater than or equal to 5 means what, 5 to 8. Greater than or equal to 5 means what, 5 to 8. On this interval it is what, positive, that is 5 to 8 x minus 5 dx. Yes. Now it is negative if x is less than 5. Less than 5 means this lies what, 2 to 5. In this interval it is what, negative, that is 2 to 5 minus x minus 5 dx. Now this one, that is I is equal to, same as we did in the previous problem, integration of x is what, x square divided by 2, and this minus sign as it is here outside between the limit 2 to 5 plus, now this one x minus 5 whole square divided by 2 between the limit 5 to 8. So we are treating this x minus 5 as x, integration of x is what, x square by 2. See here, integration of x is what, dx is what, x square by 2. In the same way, integration of x minus 5 dx is nothing but x minus 5 whole square divided by 2. X minus 5 whole square divided by 2. So in this manner we have to integrate this one, that is x minus 5 dx. Next, after this, remaining part is what, simplification will be there. First substitute the upper limit, then minus of the what, lower limits. Yes, see here. Now first we have to substitute the upper limit. So I am substituting here minus, and I am taking 1 by 2, these 2 outside. Yes, now first 5 minus 5. 5 minus 5 whole square, I am writing 2 outside, that is 1 by 2, and substituting the what, upper limit, that is 5 minus 5. Then minus sign before substituting the what, lower limit, this minus 2 to 2 minus 5 whole square. So this part is over now. Now this again plus, take 1 by 2 outside here. Now apply the what, first upper limit substitute, that is 8 minus 5 whole square, and minus of the lower limit 5 minus 5. The remaining thing is what, simplification is there. See here, simplification part. Now I is equal to, that is minus sign as it is, 1 by 2 as it is, 5 minus 5 will be what, 0, then minus 2 minus 5 minus 3, minus 3 square will be what, 9, that is 9, then plus 1 by 2, 8 minus 5 is what, 3, 3 square will be what, 9. Here minus 5 minus 5 will be what, 0. Now open the bracket, that is I is equal to 0 minus 9. See here, so better you have to write here only 0 minus 9. Write here 0 minus 9, and this will be what, 9 minus 0. So minus 1 by 2, 0 minus 9 will be what, minus 9, plus 1 by 2, 9 minus 0 is what, 9. Now I is equal to, minus 1 into minus 9 will be what, 9 by 2, 1 into 9 is what, 9 by 2, that is I is equal to 18 by 2, that is 2 ones are 2 9s are, that is I is equal to what, 9. Pause the video and note it down. Pause the video and note it down. It is simple. Minus 1 by 2, 0 minus 9, that is minus 9, minus 1 into minus 9 is what, 9 by 2. Here 1 by 2 into 9 minus 0 will be what, 9, 1 into 9, 9, 9 by 2, again 9 plus 9 is what, 18, 18 divided by 2 means what, 2 ones are 2 9s are. If denominator is same, add the numerator, and 2 ones are 2 9s are get cancelled. That is I is equal to what, 9 here. Pause the video and note it down. So the next one, moving to the what, next problem, integration of I is equal to 0 to 4 mod of x minus 1 dx. So I is equal to 0 to 4. So again x minus 1, so here x minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. Now applying the breaking of limit property, that is 0 to 4, and this 1 lies between 0 and 4, that is 1. That is 1. So this will be what? Breaking of limit property after applying this one, that is I is equal to 0 to 1 mod of x minus 1 dx plus 1 to 4 mod of x minus 1 dx. Now we have to decide when it is positive and when it is negative. So here, that is x minus 1, it is positive, and here it is negative. So this is modulus function definition we are applying here. If x is greater than or equal to 1, if x is less than 1. Greater than or equal to 1 means here it is positive, here it is what? Negative, we can say. So in this interval, that is I is equal to minus 0 to 1, that is x minus 1. I am writing here negative sign outside, plus in this interval, in this interval, that is 0 to 1, in this interval this modulus function will be what? Negative. It is opening what? Negative here. And 1 to 4, between in this interval 1 to 4, this modulus function will open as what? Positive, that is x minus 1 dx. Now again in the same way, minus x minus 1 whole square divided by 2 between the limit 0 to 1 plus x minus 1 whole square divided by 2 between the limit 1 to 4. So after integrating, substitute the upper limit and lower limit, that is I is equal to minus sign as it is, that is 1 minus 1, 1 by 2, I am 2 taking away outside, 1 minus 1 whole square minus 0 minus 1 whole square plus 1 by 2, again I am taking outside here, that is 4 minus 1 whole square minus 1 minus 1 whole square, 1 minus 1 whole square. Now let us simplify this one now. See here, that is I is equal to one minus 1 will be what? 0 minus 1 by 2 into minus 0 minus 1 square is what? 1, that is minus sign as it is, 1 by 2, this will be what? 0, 1 minus 1 is what? 1 minus 1, it is what? 0, then minus 0 minus 1 square, 0 minus 1 square is what? 1, minus 1 square is what? 1, and this minus sign as it is, plus 1 by 2, this part is over, plus 1 by 2 into 4 minus 1 will be what? 3, 3 square is what? 9, 1 minus 1 is what? 0. Now open the bracket and multiply with what? Minus sign, minus into minus plus, 1 into 1, 1, that is 1 by 2, plus 1 into 9, 9, that is 9 by 2, and is equal to 10. 1 plus 9 will be what? 10, denominator is same, that is 10 by 2, 2 ones are 2 5s are, that is I is equal to what? 5. Pause the video and note it down. In this way we have to solve the problems. So these are very easy and very important problems are there. Only just practice it 1 to 2 times, you will get definitely perfect in this type of the problems. So and the last one and the very most important problem on this, minus 1 to 2 x cube minus x dx, that is I is equal to, so I am going to write once again here, I is equal to minus 1 to 2 x cube minus x dx. Now x cube minus x dx is equal to, first of all we have to find the limits, that is x cube minus x is equal to 0. Here x is common, x square minus 1 equal to what? 0. Here x is equal to 0, x square minus 1 equal to 0, x is equal to 0, x square is equal to 1, and x is equal to plus or minus 1. X is equal to what? Plus or minus 1. So with the help of this we are going to break the limits. So what is the actual limits? Our limits, that is lower limit is what? Minus 1, and upper limit will be what? 2. First of all we will write minus 1 and 2, then this 0 comes here, and this plus or minus means already minus 1 is here, so we have to take plus 1 here. So in this way we are breaking the limits of this function x cube minus x, minus 1 to 0, then 0 to 1, then 1 to 2. Yes, first we have to write in this one by the property, that is minus 1 to 0 x cube minus x dx plus 0 to 1 x cube minus x dx plus 1 to 2 x cube minus x dx. Now look at here, this minus 1 to 0, in this interval it is positive, here it will be what? Negative, here it is what? Positive. Yes, remember this one, x cube minus x, I am writing here, x cube minus x is greater than or equal to 0 on the interval minus 1 to 0 and 1 to 2 and 1 to 2. X cube minus x is less than 0 on the interval 0 to 1. So it means this will be what? That is I is equal to minus 1 to 0 x cube minus x dx plus 0 to 1 minus x cube minus x dx plus 1 to 2 x cube minus x dx. So in this way we are opening this function, this modulus function. Here in this interval it is what? Positive. In this interval it is what? Negative. Remove the mod sign, then write the minus sign. In this 1 to 2, in this interval it is what? Positive. So I think you are getting the clear concept now. So let us, remaining part is what? Simplification is there, integrating and simplifying. Pause the video and note it down, this one. This one. See here. Now we have to integrate this one, that is I is equal to x raised to 4 divided by 4 minus integration of x cube is what? X raised to 4 by 4. Integration of x is what? X square by 2 between the limit minus 1 to 0 plus, and this minus, plus into minus will be what? Minus. Here this minus into plus will be what? Minus into plus will be what? Minus, or plus into minus will be what? Minus. And integration is same. X cube integration is what? X raised to 4 by 4. X integration is what? X square by 2. Now limits are changed here, that is 0 to 1 plus x cube integration is what? X raised to 4 by 4. X integration is what? X square by 2 between the limit 1 to 2. 1 to 2. I think you are got up to here now. Now the remaining part is what? Only simplification is there. See here the how to simplify this one now. That is I is equal to, only thing is that 0. If you put 0 raised to 4 is what? 0, and 0 square will be what? 0. It means if you put 0 upper limit in this equation, in this term, you will get the what? 0. 0 raised to 4 is what? 0. 0 by 4 will be what? 0, and 0 square will be what? 0, and 0 by 2 is what? 0. That is, first I am writing 0 here. Then minus of the lower limit, minus sign as it is, That's minus 1 raised to 4 is what? 1 by 4, and minus 1 square is what? 1 by 2. That is 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2. This part is over now. Yes, in the same way, come to here minus sign as it is. First this one, that is 1 raised to 4 means what? 1 by 4. 1 square is what? 1 by 2. That is 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2. Now put the 0 raised to 4. First minus sign, then 0 raised to 4. So here I want more space here. Wait a minute. And I will take this one. Wait a minute. So here, that is minus 0 raised to 4 will be what? 0 by 4, and 0 square is what? 0. 0 raised to 4 is what? 0. That is minus 0. I am writing. If you substitute 0 here, 0 by 4 is what? 0. 0 square by 2 is what? 0. That is minus 0. Now last one is what? Plus here. That is 2 raised to 4 means what? 16. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. That is 16 by 4 minus 2 square means what? 4 by 2. Plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2. This one. 1 raised to 4 minus of the lower limit. Sorry. This is what? Minus sign here. This one. So here that is I is equal to, so this is 2 raised to 4 is what? 16 by 4. 2 minus 2 square means what? 4 by 2. Then minus of the lower limit, minus 1 by 1 raised to 4 is what? 1 by 4 minus 1 square is what? 1 by 2. Now I is equal to, leave this 0. This is what? Minus 1 by 4 minus into minus plus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. Now again minus 1 by 4 minus into minus plus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. This 4 1s are 4, 4s are 2 1s are 2 2s are. That is plus 4 minus 2. Then again minus 1 by 4 minus into minus plus 1 by 2. That is minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. See here, minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4. It is what? I is equal to minus 3 by 4. Then minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. It is what? Plus 3 by 2. And this 4 minus 2 is what? 2. 4 minus 2 is what? 2. Now take the LCM here. What is the LCM here? 4 is the LCM. That is 4 1s are 4, 2 2s are, then 1 4s are. Minus 3 into 1 is what? Minus 3. 2 3s are 6. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 6 is what? 14. 14 minus 3 is what? 11. That is equal to what? 11 by 4. So the answer is what? 11 by 4. In this way we have to solve the problems. I hope you are getting the clear idea about this property and problem. Pause the video and note it down. So these are the very most important property and problems, that is most likely questions and problems we can say. So this type of the problem will be asked, as I told in the beginning of the video, in the part E, question number 46. If you have any doubts or any suggestions for our improvement work, please comment in the comment box, and please like, share and subscribe my channel and be with us for your annual exam preparation. Thank you so much for watching my channel.